Today, I will show you how to separate audio from video in Davinci Resolve. Make sure to watch the end of the video as I provide a lot of extra tips and tricks. I don't want you to miss a thing. Let's get right into the video. All right, we're in Davinci Resolve, and the first thing we need to do is make sure we're on the right tab. This tab I'm in right here is the Edit tab. So I'm dragging my clip into the sequence timeline, and you can move around. When you select it, you'll see both the video and audio tracks are selected with this red line around both of them. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can see the entire clip. And if you right click with both of these selected, you'll see link clips. If you uncheck that, now the clips are independent and you can move both of them separately and they won't be tied to each other anymore. You can see I'm just moving these clips around. And if I line these clips back up again, highlight both of them, right click, you can click this link clip button again and they will be back to normal. But before we move on, I need to remind you guys that we're posting at least one new tutorial every single week. So if you want to continue to become a better video editor, learn more tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment, letting us know what you want to learn next. Back to video. So you can link, unlink clips and then link them back up if you'd like. You can also go into the music tab right here and adjust the audio levels, moving this line up and down to adjust the intensity of the volume. And if you go all the way to the top of your computer where it says timeline, you'll see an option for snapping and link selection. If you don't want to do this independently each time for every clip, if you go into timeline, you can change it so it changes the whole thing. So it's a default setting. You can check or uncheck link selection, and it will automatically apply this for all your clips for you. Linking and snapping. Snapping is a tool if you are moving your clips around, you will start to feel your cursor snap these clips into place rather than just be completely free form. And I do find this very helpful. I almost always independently uncheck the link selection, but I do leave snapping checked on. You'll see I'm kind of moving my clips around. They pretty much just snap into place. It's helpful when you're dealing with hundreds of clips. It's nice when you can feel the cursor snapping into place. That is how you separate audio in Davinci. If you made it this far to the video, make sure you subscribe, check out Mirror Camp, and join our online school for more.